This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're looking at the stator assembly off of the LG washing machine, and if you have the error called the LE error, that's for a locked rotor, and it could be some of these components are causing trouble. So I'm going to separate the rotor from the stator. So just pull that out. It's a pretty strong magnetic pull. This is an old concept from Nikola Tesla from turn of the century, but this is the stator and this is the Hall effect sensor. So if you get the LE error, it could be due to most likely this sensor here, the Hall effect sensor. And when you get this off of the machine, you have to take off the rotor first. There's just one bolt holding it on, and then there's bolts holding it on here. When you remove them, you can pull this off. You can take the wire connectors off here, and then you can remove this Hall effect sensor, and then you can put a new one on. So there's two little clips on this part, and then flip it around. You have three clips here, so you can just use a little bit of a pry bar to loosen them up, and then you can put the new one on. I'm just going to pry it up a little bit, hold it, do the other one, pry it up a little bit, and then that Hall effect sensor comes off, and these little tabs help you to understand where that clicks back on. So these things sometimes will malfunction, and then you'll get the LE error and your machine won't turn. It's pretty rare that this whole assembly would be having trouble where you have to replace the stator, but it is possible. So I just popped the new one on by pushing it. The clips locked in, and then these three clips locked in. So that's all it takes. And then the rotor has these magnets glued to the perimeter. And if one of these magnets have come loose, you'll get the LE error. That's very, very rare, probably unlikely. But if that happened, you could replace this whole unit. It's pretty cheap. More than likely, though, if the Hall effect sensor was not the culprit, it could be that these plastic splines right here are stripped. So we have these little ridges, and if you put in something super heavy in the washing machine, what will happen is the spin basket doesn't want to turn, but this thing will turn really fast. And something has to give because it's so heavy that it can't turn as it should. So rather than the motor getting damaged, it'll damage this plastic, these splines. And then you just get a new rotor, and easy to pop it on. So you just have to unloosen the bolt. The bolt goes lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to take it off. Pull off the rotor, put on a new one, and tighten it up. Pretty easy. So the LE error would be due to these being stripped, possible, or more likely needing to get a new Hall sensor. And these are pretty cheap and easy to pop on. This part of the video will show how to replace the stator and also the rotor, and actually pretty easy to do. These splines have worn out because the machine got overloaded. There were maybe blankets or something that was so heavy that when the motor was trying to turn, the spin basket just wouldn't turn with it, and it would strip out this plastic. So when that happens, something has to give, and this plastic is what they've designed to fail. So we're going to be replacing this today. So to do the repair, we've removed the back cover here. It just has some screws you got to pop out. We have a 17mm socket. We have to remove this bolt to get the rotor off. Also, when you are looking for the LE error, just make sure that these wires are okay. And then make sure you don't see any tears or cuts. So if this wire harness is damaged, it will also cause that LE error. It's usually just this plastic spline though. We're going to put on the ratchet. So one thing you can do is put in a standard head screwdriver inside these vanes, and then some about maybe a 1/4 inch in, and then you can see that it's going to get caught right there, and that keeps the rotor from turning, and then it's easier to get this bolt to come off. It kind of holds it while you're spinning that bolt off. Usually at the factory they put Loctite on so the bolt doesn't want to come off, which is good. You don't want that thing loosening, but it's a little bit harder to get off. There we go. Okay, and now grab the rotor, pull it toward us. It should kind of wiggle off the splines. There we go. There's the old one. So these are the metal splines, and they won't fail, but the plastic might. And then this is stator, and then there's the sensor put into position. Looks good. Also, if these magnets were to break loose and be out of position, it'll cause the LE error, but that's pretty rare. Looks like these things are probably just wiped out. So we can compare and contrast here. The old and the new. Here's the old ones. And if you look carefully, you can see that these should be triangles, but they're rounded. So that's it being stripped. Look at the new ones, and we can see very clearly a lot more material and more like triangles. This one rounded, this one nice triangles. So now to put on the new one, pretty easy. Just going to put it onto the spline, and be aware there's a pretty powerful magnetic force that's going to pull that on, right? So just take your time, wiggle that in, and then as you put on the bolt, as it tightens, it'll pull the it'll pull the metal shaft towards you. Put that on, and then we'll tighten this up. We can do the same thing to lock the rotor. Just get something put in the vane, and then that'll allow you to get it tighter. You get it pretty tight because you don't want this thing to slip and then cause another LE error. But usually what's going to cause that is just washing things that are too heavy, like bathroom mats, blankets, comforters, sleeping bags. Wipe out most machines. These are really designed well for clothing and sheets, towels, but anything bigger can be trouble. Getting it pretty tight. And that's it. We're just going to put the cover back on, and that repair is done. There we go. Got it. We'll just put in those screws. Okay. We're going to load it back up. So clothing, sheets is okay, towels are okay. This is about as much as you want to load. So I'm not cramming stuff in. Should be a good test. Here are some close-up pictures of the splines on the rotor that were worn out. And they're just a little bit rounded. That's because the metal abrades on them. And that's why you got the LE error. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.